Hello, this is JAYSTEPHER here, and I'm bringing another LEGO tutorial on how to build this cool little LEGO grandfather clock. Okay, the first thing we're going to need is a 2x4 studded round plate, and we need some 1x1 one-studded round plates. We'll stick them on the bottom for legs. Kind of looks like this. Now we're going to need a 1x2 brown tile. Put it here in the front. So it kind of looks like that. We're going to take several of these log bricks. So I'm going to start with 3 1x2 log bricks. We're going to stick them on the bottom. Kind of looks like this. Now we're going to take 3 more log bricks. Put them around here again. Now the next thing we're going to need a claw brick like this. That's a 1x2 claw brick, and we are going to use one of these spatula looking things for a pendulum for our clock. So we're just going to slip this in here like so. Kind of everything lined up. And now we're just going to drop this down in here. So it kind of looks like that. Then we're going to take 2 more log bricks. Stick them on here. And there's our bottom half of our clock. The next thing we're going to need another one of these 2x4 studded plates that are brown. We're going to stick it on top of our clock. And we're going to need a 1x2 brown tile. Stick it on here. It kind of looks like that. More of these little log bricks. It's going to take 2. There we go. Now let's build a clock face. We're going to need a clock face. I'm just going to attach our clock face to one of these studded brick bracket things. So it kind of looks like that. I'm just going to take some tan bricks. I'm going to start with a tan 1x2 brick. And I'm going to need 2 of these 1x2 plates. Put one on the top, one on the bottom. Looks like that. Then I'm going to slip it right behind here. Then I'll mount our clock face. And we're just going to simply slip it in here. So it looks like that. We'll need 2 more log bricks. Stick them on both sides of the face. So we have this. Now let's put our top of our clock in. Take our last 2x4 studded brown plate, place it on the top. It kind of looks like that. Take a 1x2 studded brown plate. I'm going to stick it on top. Now we're going to put some detail on here. I'm going to cover this whole area here with 1x2 tiles, so I'm going to need 3 of these. So I'm going to cover the whole top. And finally, we're just going to need some 1x1 sloped pieces. They're brown. Stick them on here like that. One on the other side. We got this nice detail. We got a nice little LEGO grandfather clock. This will look good in any LEGO home, mansion. You can put this in your castle, maybe in your king's chambers. I think it turned out real good. Thanks for watching.